Hi there, and welcome to my newest series, Questions that Women Ask Before Walking the Camino. So over the next few videos, I'll be sharing some concerns and questions that women have and the answers to clear those concerns up. My name is Linda G. Robert. I am your Back in the Groove Again coach. I'm here to help you live your best life right now so you can love what you do. Hey, before we keep going, if you like this video, you know what you need to do. Like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. I'm back from walking the Portuguese way. This time I walked it with a friend. Last year I walked the Del Norte on my own, and of course you can check out the playlist for the Del Norte as well as the Portuguese way. I'm not sure which one is next for me. I know it's calling, but I haven't made a decision just yet. So before I share the 3 questions for this week's video, I encourage you to download my 10 steps guide for walking the Camino. It will prepare you in more ways than one to walk one of the Caminos. So let's get started. Here's the first question for today's video. Do I have to walk the entire Camino without stopping, or can I take some rest days? That's a great question. No, you don't have to walk the entire Camino without taking breaks. There's a lot of flexibility depending on how you plan your trip. So if you book, for example, with a company like Galley Wonders, that's who I booked with, you can arrange to have rest days built into your schedule, perhaps every 5th or 6th day. That's what I did when I walked the Del Norte. That allowed me to recover and to explore local towns without that pressure of moving forward every day. Now, if you choose to stay in hostels without pre-booking hotels, you have even more flexibility. You can walk as long or as little as you like each day and take rest days whenever you need. You're free to pause for a few days in one spot and then pick up where you left off whenever you're ready. This way, the Camino becomes a personal journey that adapts to your pace and your preferences. Here's another question for you. How do I manage expectations and avoid burnout on the Camino? So while walking the Camino can be a life-changing experience, it's important to manage expectations. The journey isn't always easy. You're going to face some physical fatigue for sure, some unpredictable weather, definitely, and perhaps some emotional challenges too. To avoid burnout, you listen to your body. You take rest days when needed, or you stop and slow down your pace if needed. It's okay to slow down or take shorter walking days. It doesn't have to be 34 kilometers. Remember, the Camino is a personal journey. There's no right or wrong way of experiencing it. And during my 8-week course, of course, we're going to go over some tools, some strategies on how to manage stress, set realistic expectations, and maintain your motivation so you can finish the Camino feeling empowered and feeling fulfilled. And here's the last question for today's video. How do I handle the language barrier along the Camino? Now, while Spanish is the primary language along most of the Camino routes, many locals and fellow pilgrims speak some English, especially on popular routes. Basic Spanish phrases for greetings, ordering food, drinks, or asking directions can be very helpful and enrich your experience. In addition, carrying a small phrase book or using a translation app can make communication a lot easier and can boost your confidence, of course. Now, in my 8-week course, by the way, we're going to go through some very basic Portuguese, French, and Spanish phrases to help you prepare. And in the meantime, download my 10 steps guide for walking the Camino using the link below. And I will see you the next time for 3 more questions. Take care. Bye-bye now.